There is nothing that we can say that is going to matter now. It's one more day to go, so it's time to say, go watch the film.
Yes, that is a response from everyone out there. So yes, let me tell you, your fans are here so that they can have a one-on-word with you. And definitely, so are you guys excited to have a conversation with Hrithik Roshan and Pooja Hegde? So anyone has any question out there? Come on, just raise up your hands. So we have someone? Okay, so can we just pass on the mic? We have someone who wants to talk. Here we go.
Hello, Hrithik sir. Hi, Pooja ma'am. Here.
Yes.
So for your character, where you got the guidance that a character of Mohenjo-daro should walk like this, should behave like this, or talk like this? Because generally people don't have any idea of people of Mohenjo-daro.
Yeah, even I had no idea. So I did whatever I wanted to. Who will say it's wrong?
So that's the comfort you had.
Hello, sir. My name is Akriti, and I am a huge fan of your dancing especially,
Thank you.
and of course, acting. So, I had a question for you. What was that one thing that made you choose this script about the civilization? What was so appealing about the script that made you choose this script?
Actually, to be honest, it had nothing to do with the civilization or the fact that it's Mohenjo-daro or its period. It had a lot to do with the fact that it was Ashutosh Gwarekar.
Okay.
I had already done a film with him. So he's a filmmaker who gave us a film like Jodha Akbar, and that was also a very challenging, risky subject. So two things. One was the filmmaker. The other is that he's also a friend now. So more of a reason to collaborate again with a friend and have a good experience.
Okay. Wish you all the best for this movie, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So yes, we have someone out there. Okay, go on.
Hi, this is Varada, one of your biggest fan. I want to ask how you look so good in every movie and act so well.
I guess that question everyone has in mind out
Yeah.
That is your love reflecting off my
Oh
face.
God.
So thank you for that.
there. Thank you so much.
I can't believe I'm talking to you. Like, seriously, I'm one of your biggest fan.
No, you are. You can ask somebody else also. It's true. You are talking to me. I'm talking to you.
Thank you.
Okay, any more questions out there?
Hello Hrithik sir. Hi Pooja ma'am. What's up?
Hi.
So I've been your fan since Kahuna Pyara. I had watched it when I was 5 years old, and since then you have been my idol. So like whenever I have an exam tomorrow, I feel like quite pressure the day before. So do superstars also get nervous and feel the pressure like one day before the release?
Yeah, our exam was over. Our shots have been done. So हमारी acting, has we've done our best. So we are at the stage of what you will feel after you've done the exam. So once you've done the exam and you're waiting for the result, you in your heart and your mind, you know exactly what you've done. मालूम है ना क्या मुझे I think I'll get so many marks. Already know. So it's cool.
Thank you sir. All the best for tomorrow.
Thank you so much. Well, anyone out there want to ask a question? Okay, I can see a pretty girl out here. I'll only come up there and pass up the mic. Okay, tell me, what exactly you want to ask?
Hrithik sir, it's for you. Can I dance with you?
Can you dance with me?
Yeah, it's a dream to dance with you.
Come. So who will sing? Come. What's your name again? Sakshi. Hi Sakshi. Nice to meet you. So I sing and dance with you.
Okay, so he's gonna sing and
So-
dance both.
निगाहों ने
Come on, clap your hands.
से कई अरमानों की दास्तां है सेन्योरिटा ये ख्वाबी मोहब्बत की सारी दुनिया में एक ही जुबान है, सेन्योरिटा.
Woo!
Oh, very well.
Thank you so very much. And I guess definitely you'll be feeling the lucky girl. Thank you. Okay, so anyone else want to ask? Okay. So I would definitely go on. Well, I know a lot of people are looking forward to come up here and click photographs. Okay, so we have someone speaking on the mic.
I have a question. Yeah, I want a hug from you, please, and please.
Come.
Come, she's so cute.
Yeah, really. You're asking so cutely. You asked. I can't say no.
Please let her come.
Asking you in such a cute way. Please, sir.
अपन नहीं ऐसा बोलो कि हम दोनों को दोनों के साथ डांस करना
Okay. Thank you so much.